Top 20 Small Business Suggestions for Newcomers. The last thing a new entrepreneur or new business needs is to be found in a financial state due to unnecessary spending. When starting a small business, the key is to remember it is small and initially the intention should be to limit spending until a profit is made. So let's get started with the top 20 benefit and economical small business ideas. Number 1, yoga studios that promote fitness and health. Number 2, launch a catering company to provide food for special occasions, gatherings, and celebrations. Number 3, a travel company. People frequently journey to various locations. Open a travel agency since the travel industry will never go out of business. Number 4, fast food restaurants that serve wholesome food. Number 5, open chocolate cafes since everyone loves chocolate and cannot resist it. With this business, you can eat your profits up. Number 6, running fitness sessions as part of fitness programs. Number 7, Eateries with one product. This earns a ton of money by focusing on a single food category and all the things you can do with it, which may sound absurd. Number 8, hosted security providers are compensated for preventing hackers from accessing other people's websites, spyware, virus, worm, and Trojan. Number 9, data backup can assist others in backing up all of their data so they can access it later if necessary. Number 10, with all the insane individuals around today, surveillance cameras are a popular item to be selling these days. Number 11, start a message service. Number 12, handyman and home improvement services. Number 13, services and programs for kids education. Number 14, development of software, goods and applications. Number 15, advisory services. Another wonderful business idea is to start in an industry where you already have experience. If you are familiar with businesses that are unrelated to your own, you may broaden your consulting services and even benefit from each other's expertise. Number 16, selling automobile and machinery parts. Number 17, professional car washing can be a lucrative business if you choose large cities and towns with lots of high quality vehicles. Number 18, service provider for internet connections. You can run it well enough to make a ton of money while offering a quick internet connection at a reasonable monthly charge. Number 19, hire a carpenter to launch a furniture business. Number 20, the internet is an excellent source for small company ideas. Pure water production in cell and sachet bagged or bottled water. Thousands of people have fantastic company ideas, but they need help getting things started. Fortunately, there is a ton of support available for new and prospective entrepreneurs. You can find useful small business ideas on government websites, so visit them to learn more and to share your own business ideas.